Hey guys, this is me Periwinkle and welcome back to my channel. So before starting this video, I would like to wish you a happy Diwali to you and to your family. And I'm really sorry for not posting any videos since long. As you know, I wasn't okay with my exams were going on and that. But I'm back. Today we are going to have the Q&A video today, question and answer. And I'm gonna answer most probably all of your questions. Because if I choose any one question, if some of the question I'll choose and skip the others, then others will feel bad. So it's better to answer most probably all of the questions so that no one will feel bad. And as you all know, I'm different from others, so I'm going to answer all of your questions. So let's proceed. I'm here with another phone. I can't do that edits, as you know. I don't know well about edits. Well, the first question is from BTS 7 Diamonds. So my question is, choose one that you can't see of BTS. BTS members being sad or BTS disband. Which one I should choose? So I will choose BTS disband. Cause if they're sad for one moment, then the next moment they might be happy. But if they disband, we won't be able to see them again. So I'll choose the second option. Second question. Khwaish Dabi. When you get to know about BTS, are you a fresher or senior? Because I'm a fresher. It's only 1 year that I'm in. How many years you are in our BTS? Do you like vocal or rap line? Okay. I'm not a fresher. I'm not a senior. I'm just a middle one. I got to know BTS not much long and not much sooner, but yet I know. Okay. I like both vocal and rap line. Then next question, cuisine. The most awkward moment in your life. The most awkward moment in my life is when someone comes to our home, my home, and I try to act decent, normal, but I end up sleeping and falling in front of them, doing awkward movements unwantedly. Okay, Rutuja, next question. Do you know about Atish, their thanks MV showed in India Business Forum? Yes, I very well, not much well, but I know Atish, it's a K-pop band as you all know. And one member I know very nicely cause his birthday is on my birthday only. That's a great thing. Next question, Mahira. Hi Uni, my question is, when did you get bored? What do you do? Okay, when I get bored, I open up my phone and see things, different things, Instagram, YouTube, or else I sleep, I draw, I watch TV. Sarita Kumari, next question. Do you have any stuff of BTS? Nope. I don't have a single stuff and I'm really very sad for that. Your parents know about that you are an army fangirl? Yes, they know. They know very well. What will you choose? K-pop versus Bollywood? You can choose anyone. Sorry for so much questions. It's alright. I'll answer. So I'm gonna choose K-pop. It's very obvious cause Bollywood is cringe. Filled with cringe, copycats and all. So I'll go for K-pop only. Pick 7 K-pop group of your liking and pick which member you like and say why you like them. What they mean to you. My question is bad, don't pick it. It's alright. 7 K-pop groups, there are so many like BTS, Blackpink, EXO, Red Velvet, Stray Kids, GOT7, EXID, then Monsta X, and so many. I like so many members, but I don't stand each and every group. But I'm a multi-stan, you can say that. Have you ever watched a fan fictions? If yes, then you are FF addict. Sorry, I don't watch that cause I don't get time to watch that all. My cousin sister watches it all the time. What was the main reason to start a channel? You write vlogs too, as you mentioned in your channels about. Wait, there was no any special reason. There was an era when Neha Vasan and so many Indian haters started hating K-pop very badly and saying bad words. So I couldn't stop myself and I started it. That's the reason only. How much you excited to see BTS on NDTV? Well, I was so excited, but sorry, anyhow I couldn't watch it and I was really sad for that. Yeah, they waiting for your new video. When you became an army, only one member who can see. Whom can see? I don't remember when I become an army, but yet it's good. Who is your inspiration? Seeing whom you felt like making videos. Well, inspiration, I don't have any inspiration of making videos. I just got I can't say that clearly, but there's no inspiration for me in making YouTube videos. I just thought of making and started making without any reason. What's your editing app? I use PixArt for editing pics, and then KineMaster maybe. In short, that's all. You look so beautiful. Thank you so much. Hey Uni, are you a Blink tool? For those who are not on my Instagram or not following me, only subscribing my YouTube channel, then you might not know that on November 3 or 4, I mentioned something in my Instagram story that from now on I am a Blink too. So you must check it. But it's no more, I know. But for your surprise, let me clear it that I am also a Blink now. Army plus Blink, both. What do you think about BTS interview in India, which took place? I am sorry, dear, I haven't watched it. When did you know about BTS? Who is your bias in BTS? Not very long, not very soon, but I know BTS earlier only. My bias, you need to find it out. I won't say it. Before being an army, have you ever hate BTS? Please answer. No, I didn't hate BTS. How did you get into K-pop? By the way, love your content. Thank you so much. K-pop songs are truly inspirational, as you all know, which attracted me and I got into it. How you become an army? I told you already. Who is your favorite BTS member? Are a Blink too? All the 7 are my favorite. Not a single. And I'm a Blink too. Yes, I'm a Blink. From which year you know BTS? I don't remember. Did you know Blackpink? Yup, I know Blackpink. Which member do you like from BTS? Blackpink? Please pick my question. From Blackpink, I like Jennie and Jisoo, maybe. When and how you become an BTS army? I told already. Who is your most? What is the most lovely that you? Savage or Super Savage? Super Savage. Your first BTS song that inspire you? My first BTS song that inspires me a lot is I Need You. Do you stand any other girl group? Yes, I stand Blackpink. I really like EXID and Mamamoo I like. Then Red Velvet also. Staying in South Korea or doing a world tour? Which one will choose? I'll choose first staying in South Korea. No, I don't read fan fictions. When are you going to post a new video? I'll try it soon. What do you prefer to do in the pandemic? I sleep all day holding my phone only. With a BTS member, what's your favorite BTS song? Okay, yes, I'm a OT7 as you know. If you want to know about my bias, then you try to figure it out in the comment box. Tell me if you got to know. And favorite BTS song? I Need You. Paradise, so many. Which app do you use to create thumbnails? I don't use any app. I use it, I make it through PixArt. Your real name with surname? My real name is Periwinkle only. What do you do when you're bored? I told. Yes, I like Mamamoo. Yeah, Ami. Are your bloods are purple? Nope, my blood is red only. I wish it was purple. Do you have an army bomb? No. Which army member do you like? All. Do you know Korean language? Not well, but still I can understand a little bit. Okay. Who is my bias? Who is my bias? You try to figure it out. So what will to catch their attention if their BTS concert? No idea. Who's your favorite and second favorite in BTS? Can't say. Mera question, did you enter Bangtan family? How BTS helped you? Well, Kaushalya Behra, if you want to know about how and all, then you may DM me in my Instagram. I can tell you in total, but now in video I can't say full about this. Who is your bias again? Try to figure it out on your own. I won't be saying it. IPL में कौन जीतेगा, ये आंसर अलाउड? मैं IPL नहीं देखती, मुझे नहीं पता. मैं IPL ज़्यादा नहीं देखती सच्ची में. माई फेवरेट टीम इज़ RCB और मुझे इतना पता नहीं ज़्यादा. My question is, if your one side is BTS and other side is rules, who can you choose only one? If one side is Blackpink and the other side is BTS, I'll only go for BTS for sure. Maybe I stand Blackpink, but I'll go for BTS. Who is your bias? Do you only stand BTS or you are a multi-stan? I'm not. Earlier I was standing only BTS, but now I'm a multi-stan. Worst hater comment you have heard? Well, earlier I got so many hater comments, but I never took it seriously. I don't remember, that's why. Who is your in BTS and Blackpink? I don't know. In one side there is BTS and the other side there are all K-pop artists. So which side we will go? BTS or other all K-pop artists? Well, I got to know firstly about BTS. So my first priority will be always BTS only. Finally, all questions are over. So I answered all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here until here, if you're here and watch the full video, then don't forget to like the video, comment down and subscribe my channel. And if I got a most common question, who is your bias? If you want to know this, then you have to wait. If you know, then comment down. Let me know if you know about me or not. Thank you. Bye guys.